Hey everyone, Edward here at the Mac Observer, and in this video I'll show you how to fix extreme battery draining on your iOS 17 in no time. So there are a few solutions that you should always take in consideration, and the first one is to force restart your iPhone. What you have to do in here is press and immediately release the volume up button, then press and immediately release the volume down button. Afterwards, just press and hold the side button until your iPhone switches off, and then you'll see the Apple logo on the screen. Your iPhone will now restart. Try doing this every week to clear up any bugs or glitches. Moving on, another useful solution is to change your wallpaper. Now to do this, go to Settings, then in the search bar simply type Wallpaper and select it from the search results. So what you can do now is simply change to a different wallpaper by tapping on it, then select it from the list, and you're good to go. And you can check if the problem still persists. Next in line, another useful solution is to turn off the always on display. So to do this, tap on Settings, then scroll down until you find Display and Brightness and tap on it, and afterwards scroll down until you find the always on display option and just toggle it to off. So if it's on, just toggle it to off and you're good to go. From here on, you can check if the problem still persists. Now, another useful solution is to disable Bluetooth. In order to do this, head over to Settings on your phone, then tap on the Bluetooth category and just disable it from this list. If it's set to on, make sure to disable it and then again check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to enable the low power mode. Now to do this, open up Control Center by sliding your finger from the top right corner of the screen down, and then if you have the option in here, just enable the low power mode by tapping on it. From here on, tap on Continue and you're good to go. You can check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to optimize your battery settings. To do so, open up the Settings app, then tap on Battery, and in here head over to Charging, and then toggle on the Optimized Battery Charging option. This will make sure that your battery will be more healthy and save up that power that you actually need in order to prevent draining. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.